you join us on one of the most desirable tree-lined roads in Leamington Spa at this stunning late Victorian family home within easy walking distance of the vibrant town centre.
To the front of the property there are many charming Victorian features, high ceilings, spacious rooms and deep skirting.
Whilst the three-storey rear extension has a pleasing, open and contemporary vibe.
I'm James Pratt.
And I'm Nicky Moore, and welcome to 42 Binswood Avenue. The current vendor's principal bedroom was previously used as a dining room when the house was being used as a family home, with traditional French doors to the courtyard garden.
Leamington Spa has much to offer and has been voted one of the best places to live in the country. There are excellent schools, shops and restaurants. The town has many recreational facilities and Stratford-upon-Avon and the Cotswolds is a short drive away.
There is a very adaptable nature to this house, as currently there is a 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom flat with their own entrances on the upper floors, whilst the current vendors are on the ground floor. Flat 1's current kitchen and bathroom was previously a family bathroom. You join us in the private walled garden, which is unusually large for a town centre garden. It is laid to lawn and shrubs, low maintenance and benefits rear access to Trinity Street.
I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this fabulous property. If you'd like more information, please contact us on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.